guys, welcome back to an all-new episode of Conflicts and my family, Hamza and Mebo. Hi Mebo.
Hi.
Today we're here at the Crayola Experience at the Mall of America in Minnesota, in which we have a full tour ahead of us, checking out all the cool sites. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's do this. High five. This cool looking packet, which includes crayons and some tokens. The tokens allows us to go ahead and use it for a variety of different activities, which we'll be seeing. Alright, so let's go ahead and try it out, and we'll start off with wrap it up.
Wrap it up.
What you're gonna do is you're gonna put it in here.
Okay.
Like that. Good job. Okay, pick a shape. Which one? Rocket?
Ooh, rocket.
Yeah.
Alright, you wanna write Hamza?
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, look, crayon. And then a sticker. All right, let's go.
Yeah, come here. Nice.
This is kind of cool. So this allows you to be a star of your own coloring book. Let's change the background. Uh-oh. Which one do you want? You want that one? Let's do this one. Okay, here. Cheese.
Cheese. Cheese.
You like it? Print. Whoa, what's here? Ah, it's Hamza.
Yeah.
Cool.
Let me see, let me see. Ah, look at that.
It's doing motion capture.
Nice.
All right, you got a vending machine. You want to do play? All right, you got a coin?
Yeah, how much?
Just one. All right, so this here is Model Magic. It's almost like a clay that allows you to go ahead and make different shapes, which is actually a lot of fun. It allows the child to go ahead and create a variety of different designs using different tools, such as Hamza's doing right now.
What you doing?
I'm making my conflicts logo.
Nice. All right, let's see the finished piece. Nice. That was fun.
All right, we're gonna try silly selfies. Take it, take it.
Okay, ready? Come down, come down. Ready, set, go. Ready?
So we're gonna go ahead and now make a puzzle. You ready, Hamza?
Yeah.
So we're gonna go ahead and draw out a puzzle. So you have to draw a picture. I'm gonna go ahead and draw out my conflicts logo.
This kind is cool.
Step one.
This?
Step two. Step three.
And there it is.
We got a
There's
puzzle.
the puzzle. Let's see it. Oh, wow. Nice.
This is called rock and paper. So rock and paper is where you have to go ahead and color these characters, and then they dance on the stage. I think they use magnets, I'm not sure, but let's go ahead and color. Oh, look at that. Get ready, Hamza.
Ready? Hamza.
Cool car, man. So this here is melt and mold. So you go ahead and make a mold. Okay.
Okay, close the door.
Close the door, Hamza.
That's
Good
all.
job. Whoa, look, it's gonna make a car. Wow, it's a car.
You have your voucher. Like my color book.
Now we want to close the door. Okay, we can pull the handle back.
Pull it back.
Pull it back. Fast. And then you can make it slow. You can make it fast. And then you can make it slow. Okay. Oh, look at that, Hamza. Now you gotta put that crayon in. Nice. Okay. Now you gotta make it fast and slow.
Next person. Wow, like Spider-Man.
Good job, Hamza. Alright, so we got a special surprise here. Crayola is sending us a special unboxing to do, in which we have some cool looking goodies from their gift shop. So let's go ahead and check that out. Alright, well here we are in our studio, and we have our Crayola bag here filled with our goodies from the Crayola Experience shop. Now, this here consists of some of the unique things that they sell at the store, so if you guys wanted to check it out, be sure to check out the link down below in the description. So let's go ahead and see exactly what's inside. Alright. So first off, we have ourselves a Crayola Plush. So this here is the Radical Red character with the smirk and all. Definitely a high quality grade plush, and even has these little shoes to kind of match. Definitely makes a great addition to any Crayola fan. So that is a really cool looking character. And then as we're kind of moving about, we have ourselves a snow globe. So you got that trademark Crayola green and yellow, and then you have that snow globe effect showcasing the Crayola crayons kind of bouncing about almost like a piece of artwork. So that is really nice. And moving on, we have ourselves a miniature plush. So this here's more of a keychain than anything else, but you can technically see that it is made out of nice quality and consists of a nice, almost like cotton kind of feel to it. So it's going to put this little guy next to our big guy right there. And then last but not least, we have ourselves a Crayola Pick Your Pack, which we actually did pick when we were there physically. So the Crayola Pick Your Pack is kind of cool. So you get a canister like this, so you can have a variety of different forms that you can pick. I went with the traditional looking Crayola from the past. It includes a pencil sharpener, but you can go ahead and fill it with all crayons or markers as you please. And literally they have every single color you can imagine, and it's actually kind of nice that you can technically go ahead and get all the colors that you wish. So you can go ahead and mix and match and kind of pick and choose. So you have all these very unique colors from different years and different eras based on Crayola's experience. Now you also have markers as well. You can technically go ahead and put those in as well too. So really it's up to you and exactly what you want to do. So yeah, very cool addition, especially if you're at the Crayola Experience. I highly recommend it. It's a lot of fun to go ahead and pick your colors. And yeah, there you guys have it. So back to the experience. Alright, well there you guys have it. This here is the Crayola Experience at the Mall of America. Thank you once again to the good folks over at the Crayola Experience for inviting us, as well as my family. And with that being said, we'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.